I must say that overall, oh, that's fancy. That's really, really looking nice. The only thing I really have a hard time understanding the construction of is these locking the bridge studs or tapepiece studs. I was considering using them for the tremolo. I'm not 100% sure. Let's see. Anyway, I'm really looking forward to doing this Guyker build later on, maybe in the beginning of the next year. So stay tuned and you will see it.